Now we are going to see a topic on adrenal gland. So adrenal gland is also called as, another name of adrenal gland is suprarenal gland. Suprarenal means it is present above the kidney. Okay? So we have two kidneys. The gland is present on the top of the kidney, and the right side gland will look like a pyramidal shape and the left side gland will look like a cellular shape. This adrenal gland does the function is called as endocrine function. It does a function called as endocrine function. What is the major function of endocrine system is to produce the hormones. So the endocrine system is secreting so much of hormones which is supporting the overall body system. And now we are going to cross a form of adrenal gland. The outer covering of adrenal gland is called as capsule, and it has various zones. The inner layer is called medulla and the outer area is called as cortex. And it has various layers, which is zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, zona reticularis. These are the layers of the adrenal gland, and these layers will produce different hormones which supports our overall body. Now I call upon our students to represent the areas where the hormones are produced and the regulation of these hormones.
It produces reabsorption of water and salt.
Okay, the hormone is called as aldosterone. It produces a reabsorption of water in the kidneys. It supports kidneys and it does a renin-angiotensin mechanism.
It secretes cortisol. It helps in metabolism carbohydrates and supports immune system.
Okay. Cortisol is also called as a life-saving hormone. It supports our carbohydrate metabolism and the overall stress metabolism of our body.
Zona reticularis. It produces sex reticulums.
Okay. It helps in for the production of a testosterone hormone in the male reproductive system.
Chromophore cells secretes adrenal hormones which increases the heart rate when heart rate is reduced.
Okay. So the chromophore cells will produce the two hormones called as epinephrine and norepinephrine. It increases your heart rate, respiratory rate, and the blood pressure. So it is a major hormone which is produced on the medullary region of the adrenal gland. So the adrenal gland as a major part in our body regulates the hormonal levels. If there is a problem in direct production of hormones in the adrenal gland, that leads to a decrease in heart rate, reproductive, and the BP will also get reduced. And also the aldosterone mechanism is reduced so that the BP regulation will not be happening properly in the body. So it's an important functions of an adrenal gland. So the adrenocorticotropic hormone is a hormone which is produced from the pituitary gland. So you have a hypothalamus, which produces a hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, and this is stored in the pituitary gland. This gland will directly stimulate the adrenal gland for production of these hormones. And this adrenocorticotropic hormone will produces its action at the time of specific period. It is not a continuous process. It occurs when there is a decrease in water reabsorption or there is a fluctuation in BP. So this regulation will occur through the ganglion, which is called as sympathetic preganglionic nerve. It is occurred through the sympathetic preganglionic nerve. This nerve will start stimulating the adrenal gland to produce all this hormone.